Welcome to another video. Here is another question on system of logarithmic equations. The first equation is log₂ base 2 of x plus 2 plus log₂ base 4 of y plus 10 equals to 2. So this is equation 1. Okay. Then equation 2, we have log₂ base 4 of x plus 2 plus log₂ base 2 of y plus 10 equals to 5 over 2. So this is equation 2. Now, step number 1. To change the base of log₂ base 4 of y plus 10 and log₂ base 4 of x plus 2 to base 2, I'm going to use one of the properties of logarithms, which is the statement that log₂ base a exponent x of b equals to 1 over x log₂ base a of b. So which means for log₂ base 4 of x plus 2, this is same as log₂ base 2 exponent 2 of x plus 2, and this will be equals to 1/2 of log₂ base 2 of x plus 2. Then also we have log₂ base 4 of y plus 10. Okay, this is same as log₂ base 2 exponent 2 of y plus 10, and this will be equals to 1/2 of log₂ base 2 of y plus 10. Now, so that we can now have equation 1 to be log₂ base 2 of x plus 2, okay, plus now log₂ base 4 of y plus 10 is now 1 over 2 log₂ base 2 of y plus 10. So this will be 1 over 2 log₂ base 2 of y plus 10, and then we have it equals to 2. All right, so equation 2. Okay, so for log₂ base 4 of x plus 2, okay, log₂ base 4 of x plus 2 is 1/2 of log₂ base 2 of x plus 2. So this will be log₂ base 1/2 of log₂ base 2 of x plus 2, then plus log₂ base 2 of y plus 10, and this is equals to 5 over 2. So now let me make a substitution in this case. So I'm going to choose a letter from the alphabet to represent log₂ base 2 of x plus 2, and then another letter to represent log₂ base 2 of y plus 10. So let p, okay, equals to log₂ base 2 of x plus 2, and q, okay, and q equals to log₂ base 2 of y plus 10. So which means for equation 1, we're going to have this to be p plus 1/2 of log₂ base 2 of y plus 10 will be 1/2 of q, and that will be q over 2 equals to 2. Okay, so this is still equation 1. Okay, then also 1/2 of log₂ base 2 of x plus 2. Log₂ base 2 of x plus 2 is p. So this will be p over 2 plus log₂ base 2 of y plus 10, which is q. And then this will be equals to 5 over 2. This is still equation 2. Now, I'm going to multiply equation 1. I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 2. Okay, because I need to get rid of this 2, okay, denominator of q. So I'll multiply equation 1 by 2, and that will be 2 multiplied by p. That will be 2p. Then 2 multiplied by q over 2. That will be q. Then 2 times 2, 4. So now we have another equation. So this will be equation 3. Then I'll again multiply equation 2 by 2 to get rid of 2, which is the denominator of, that's the denominator of p. Okay, so we have q, equation 2 multiplied by 2, which is 2 times p over 2. That will be p. Then 2 multiplied by q, then we have 2q. 2 times 5 over 2, This will be 5. And then we have equation 4. All right, so from equation 4, q is equals to 4 minus 2p. So now let me substitute for q in okay, from equation 3. This is equation 3 in equation 4. Okay, so we have equation 4 to be p plus 2q. Now we have q to be 4 minus 2p. So this will be 2 multiplied by 4 minus 2p. And this will be equals to 5. Okay, so that this will be p plus 8 minus 4p equals to 5. So 4 minus, that's p minus 4p. This is minus 3p. Okay, then I'll carry this over to the other side, so that this will be 5 minus 8. And then minus 3p will be equals to minus 3. Now dividing both sides by minus 3. Okay, then the value of p will be equals to 1. The value of p will be equals to 1. Okay, now to get the value of q, I'm going to substitute this value for p in equation 3. Okay, so substitute for p in equation 3. So we have equation 3 to be 2p plus q equals to 4. So p is 1. So we have 2 times 1 plus q equals to 4. So that q will be equals to 4 minus 2. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. So the value of q is 2. So when the value of p is 1, then the value of q will be 2. All right. So now let's solve for the values of x and y. So let's recall. We recall that log₂ base 2 of x plus 2 is equals to p. Log₂ base 2 of x plus 2 is equals to p. And now p is equals to 1. So it means that log₂ base 2 of x plus 2 will be equals to 1. So that 2 raised to the power of 1 is equals to x plus 2. And then the value of x is equals to 0. So the value of x is equals to 0 because 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. So when we carry this 2 over to the left hand side, it will be minus 2. So 2 minus 2 will be 0. Again, I'm going to recall that log₂ base 2 of y plus 10 is equals to q. And because the value of q is now 2, so it means that log₂ base 2 of y plus 10 will be equals to 2. So that 2 raised to the power of 2 will be equals to y plus 10. Then y will be equals to 4 minus 10. And the value of y will be negative 6. So it means that the value of x is 0. And the value of x is 0, and then the value of y is minus 6. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.